long video. Bilang allocation.
Ay ba? Kuya. You know. Yo. It's flooded here. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. We're shooting the behind the scenes of my birthday reel. I hope what I want will come into life.
Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you make, every step.
Yo, it's Friday, the 11th of July, a day before my birthday. Like, yo, I did these nails on Tuesday. But they're like this now. Yo, I need to go back on Monday. They have to fix them. Like, seriously, they need to fix my nails. Like, what the hell? I really love these nails. But what the hell is this? Like, yo. So, I think it's 6 hours before my birthday. Countdown begins. Okay, I just need to quickly make something to eat, have some snacks ready and some drinks for my countdown, because I'm not sleeping before 12 o'clock. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying this birthday messy vlog. If you ever reached this far, can you please comment? It's my birthday, Lippy Keke. It's my birthday, Lippy Keke. It's my birthday, Lippy Keke. Lippy Keke. Lippy Keke. Just comment Lippy Keke, okay? Yo, guys, like, I'm so sad. My nails, like, yo. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers. What is this?
Forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be.
We've got some mushrooms, then some broccoli, some cauliflower, and then some sweet potato. I'm gonna put these sweet potatoes in the air fryer and then fry these mushrooms, boil these cauliflower and broccoli, which is cauliflower. Okay, and then I will cook macaroni. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, this is the dish. You get the vision. You will see when I'm done.
Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in
The sweet potato is turning out. It's coming out good actually.